Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a Google Sheet into your website. Let's go ahead and take a look here at my Google Sheets. And I'm just going to pick this sample template that Google provides, the analytics dashboard. But this will work the same way regardless of which template you use or which Google Sheet you're working with. So what we want to do here is just go to File, and we want to go to the Share menu and select the option to publish to the web. And if you are publishing it to a place that supports embedding without having to use HTML, you can just hit this link option and publish. And then you can grab that link. And let's say you're using Google Sites. Well, here in my Google site, if I want to include that spreadsheet, I'm just going to copy that link. And let's go to the embed option in Google Sites, paste in the link, select insert, and there we have it. Now we're going to have to click and drag to resize that so we can use it that way. Now another option is we can go into the Embed menu here under Publish to Web in Google Sheets. And let's select the embed code with that iframe right there. Let's just copy that. And now let's embed that into, let's say, a Blogger blog post. And we'll go here to New Post. And I'm going to call this Sample Spreadsheet. I want to switch from Compose view to HTML view. And I'm going to write in, this is a sample spreadsheet. And I'm just going to put in a little space between my sentence. And now I'm going to paste in that embed code. But we'll notice when I publish this, if I publish it as is, when we go to look at it, that spreadsheet is going to be really small. That's a tiny spreadsheet here. So we're not going to use that one. We want to edit that code. And the way that we're going to edit this code is right here, after that little quotation mark, we're going to write in our dimensions for width. And in this case, I'll say 500. And height, I'm going to say, will equal 600. And those are referring to pixels. Now let's update. And let's look at the new version of this blog post. And we'll see now the spreadsheet is larger. Now I will have to go back in and continue to play with those dimensions there of width and height until I get them to the point that it's displaying the full spreadsheet. So I may change that to 550 and 700 and then take a look at it once again. So it's a little bit of a guessing game with the dimensions, but the width and the height, adding width and height is what's going to allow your spreadsheet to be fully viewable and not just that tiny little thing when you embed it into a blog post in Blogger. Same is true if you're using this in WordPress or any WordPress powered site. So that's how you can embed spreadsheets, Google spreadsheets, into your website or blog. As always, for more things like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.